Welcome everybody. In this tutorial series I'm going to show you how to program in C++. C++ is one of the earlier programming languages, and it is one of the influences for a lot of the programming languages that you use today. C++ is used in a lot of different areas, including game design and even native app development. So it is definitely something that you should learn. In this tutorial series, I show you the basics in 1 hour, and at the end, you learn a little bit of commands and how to program in C++. The best part about C++ and this 1 hour series is that you can be a complete beginner and never coded before, and you've actually coded something as well. I also talk a bit about my development experiences throughout the course, and when you take this course, you end up with something a little bit more knowledge than you had before. So I highly recommend that if you've never programmed before or you're a complete beginner to take this course. It is a very easy course to get through, and I suggest taking it because it'll open up the gateway to many more programming courses. So if you want to become a developer at any kind, I suggest starting here. I hope to see you in the course.